laptop, a computer. It takes a few minutes to boot up the computer in the morning. Shut down a computer. Remember to shut down your computer before you leave the office. Hack into a computer. The security team discovered that someone had attempted to hack into the computer system. Be on a computer. He was on the computer all morning working. The computer crashes. During the update, computer crashes unexpectedly, losing all unsaved work. A computer virus. Her laptop slowed down after it was infected with a computer virus. A computer programmer. She works as a computer programmer for a large software company. Computer geek. He's a real computer geek, always talking about the latest technology trends. Computer screen. Computer monitor. Staring at a computer screen for too long can strain your eyes. A computer game. He spent the evening immersed in a new computer game. A computer is down. My computer was down, so I couldn't finish my report. A computer is up. After hours of debugging, his computer is up, and he can finally resume his coding project. A program runs on a computer. Once the installation is complete, the program runs on the computer, significantly improving its performance.